Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mary with Svelte Training, and I am so excited because I have a breakfast dream smoothie. Really simple ingredients, really delicious, and I can't wait to get into it. All right, here we go. Super easy, super simple. You guys know all of my recipes are easy because I am busy and it's the holidays and nobody wants to spend hours in the kitchen. So here we go. Super easy, our breakfast dream smoothie. We've got turmeric, lemon juice, pineapple, honey, coconut water milk mix, as well as some ice. So you can hear in the background, beep, beep, beep. I'm cooking something else. I know, it's crazy. So here we go. First things first, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So turmeric really great for the metabolism and for reducing inflammation. And I like to have it in the morning because it really kickstarts my metabolism. Then we got a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. That citrus really cuts through any of the fats that we're gonna use with the cup of you can use coconut milk, you can use almond milk, whatever you're using though, make sure that it is unsweetened. Because when you add extra sweetener, it's gonna make it super sweet because you have pineapple, which has all these great digestive enzymes, but it's a really sweet fruit. So a cup of pineapple. Now, when you do the cup of pineapple, you can do fresh or frozen. I like frozen because it's easy, it's cheaper, and you can have it all year long. So we've got the pineapple in there, honey, just for sweetness. Honey really is a great anti-inflammation kind of producer, and at the same time, it helps lower blood sugar levels, which sounds odd because it's honey and it has sweetness in it, but it really does. So really it is to taste. I'm gonna take, we'll say, 1/2 of this heaping teaspoon, and it really just depends on taste. So you're gonna have to put it in, you're gonna blend it, and then you're gonna see if you like it or not, and then make it more or less sweet, depending. Ice makes it chunkier, so throw it in here, and it's gonna get loud. If you guys have, if you watch any of my YouTube videos, you'll see we've had a problem with the blender. So here we go. It's gonna get really loud. Hopefully we have music, and cue the What? Are we there yet? What? I'm like, you heard what I said. Okay, so awesome. You can see it's orange, light orange smoothie because we've got the pineapple and the turmeric. Really great to have right before you go to work, go on your workout, take the kids to school, whatever it is. Reduce inflammation. Ooh, nice. Keep you full and has a great kick at the end. Plus, it is going to help cinch that waistline. So, for more awesome recipes, just check out all the other videos, plus what we have from all the other Svelte coaches, and I will see you guys on the next one.